Hey everybody, welcome to another Wordwalk Spaghetti Speller video. In this video, we are making an important announcement. In fact, we have just added a new feature that allows you to create your own new root words. So you are no longer constrained to use the root words that are already in our database. You can put your own in. Now, for now, those root words are going to be private and visible to you alone. But in the future, we're going to make it so that your followers can see those root words and puzzles built from them also. So let's go to the latest news section and see what we've got here. All right, here's the announcement. You can now create your own private root words and subwords. Also, you can create puzzles from these root words. And the idea behind this is that maybe teachers, elementary school teachers, can make puzzles out of their classes' spelling words. So you can go directly to the page here, the puzzle search and build page with this link here, or you can go from the nav bar, which we'll do. And you'll see here in the second section we have a link that says to add new root words to the database, click here. So let's do that. All right, so this is a form. The word can be anything. It doesn't have to actually be a real word in any language. It can be made up word like supercalifragilisticexpialidocious if you like. But you do need to specify, if you're going to be using this root word in a puzzle, you do need to be able to specify some subwords. Now the subwords don't have to be true subwords in the strict technical sense. They can just be any arbitrary words, but you have to delimit them with commas. So it's a list of comma delimited words. So let's get a word that is probably not in our database in English, and we'll say, how about the word goodness? Okay, so as a subword we could have good, we could have do, we could have go, we could have God. And now we could even add some words that might have one or two letters that are not in common with these. For example, we could use the word gosh. Now the S and the H are not in goodness, but this will still work. And how about gopher? Okay, there's another example of a word that has some intersection with the root word, but not necessarily containing all of the same letters. Okay, so let's submit that. This is what we get. Now to verify, let's go back up here and do a search on the word goodness. See what we get. There it is. There's the word we just added, goodness. If we click on that, we'll come up with the form with the details of that root word and with the ability to build a new puzzle based on it. Now right now the initial puzzle that's there would be just for the root word itself, but now you can obscure it by adding some of the subwords. Let's put good. So now notice nothing changed because good is an actual substring of goodness. So maybe that's not such a good one to add. How about do? Ah, there it did change. And how about go? It kind of went back to the original one in a way. Let me take that away. Let me add gosh. Okay, and now gopher with some extra letters. Ah, now we've got a nice looking puzzle. Okay, so now we can save that puzzle. And it brings us to the page to actually play the puzzle. Now we know what the root word is and what the subwords are, so it shouldn't be too hard to figure out how to make this puzzle, how to solve this puzzle. Let's try it. G-O-O. And then probably N, maybe. D, sorry. And then the N. E. And this is the SS because it's a double letter down here. Okay, so we solved the puzzle. You'll notice that there are some bubbles that haven't been used at all. These were for the PH and the SH that came from those two subwords. But we've still solved the puzzle, and we get the full number of points possible. Of course, you have to submit the results. Now, keep in mind that this is a private puzzle. So if I log out and I log in, say, as somebody else, like Albert Einstein, and I go to the puzzle search and build, and suppose I want to find the puzzle that has goodness as a root word. There's going to be no match because that's a private puzzle that belongs to the previous user I was logged in as. Okay? But you can play it, and very, very soon we're going to add the capability for you to share your private puzzles with your followers. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy the new feature. Have fun and give me some feedback. Down at the bottom of the page now, you can contact us, or you can fill out a bug report by going to this list here and creating a new bug report. We would encourage you to do that. If you have any new feature requests, there we go, there's the bug report. If you have any new feature requests, please feel free to fill out a bug form. Okay, that's it for our video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.